Hello, today we are solving May 2024 paper, question number 6, part B. Calculate the total of operating activities sections of the statement of cash flow. So to calculate this, okay, the formula generally used is cash flow from operating activities, okay, plus cash flow from financing activities plus cash flow from investing activities will be equal to the changes in cash and cash equivalents. Let's calculate this. The cash flow from the operating activities is this much, so let's write it. Then cash flow from the financing activities, so the cash flow from the financing activities is 125,000 to 7,000 then plus the cash flow from the investing activities is going to be equal to 171,000, so that is equal to 171,000. So that should be equal to the changes in the cash and the cash equivalents that has happened during the year. So at the end of the year we can see it has become, okay, it has become 24,000. So 24,000, at the beginning it was 186,000. So the changes in the cash and the cash equivalents will be, okay, from 24,000, okay, from 186,000, okay, so 186,000, it has got reduced to 24,000. So 86,000 plus 24,000, so that is equal to 210,000. Okay, this is a change that has happened. Okay, there is a decrease, so I'm going to take it as negative. So it is a decrease in the cash and the cash equivalent that has happened, so I'm going to take it as negative. The total change is going to be 210,000. Okay, now activities can be calculated. So plus the cash flow from the financing activities was 125,000, okay, and the cash flow from the financing activities was this much, so that is equal to negative 210,000. So from this, okay, from this you calculate the operating cash flow from the operating activities, that is equal to 1,257,000. Okay, when it goes to the other side it becomes positive, so plus 1,171,000, okay, minus 210,000, so that is equal to 218,000. So this is the increase in, okay, cash flow. This is increase, this is positive, so you call it as cash flow from the operating activities is seen as positive. Okay, it is positive 2,218,000 worth of money. Okay, that is the cash flow from the investing or from the operating activities is this much.